Hi everyone. Okay, we are solving one-step equations today. We are doing all four operations this time. Nothing new. This is everything we've done over the last couple days, all in one lesson. Okay, so in order to solve an equation, we must isolate that variable. You guys know this, right? Isolate the variable, get it by itself, and keep each side of the equation balanced. We can use the inverse or opposite operations to move terms from one side to the other of the equation. Inverse operations can be thought of as the opposite or undoing operations. So the inverse operation of addition is subtraction. The inverse operation of subtraction is addition. The inverse operation of multiplication is division. And the inverse operation of division is multiplication. So we're going to use the inverse operation to solve these, guys. As I said, there is nothing new here today. This is a review of all four operations. So every single time we're going to do the same thing. We're going to draw our line down the equal sign. We're going to look at the side with the variable and we're going to ask ourselves, what is the inverse or opposite operation? What's going on here is multiplication. They are married. Remember, when they're stuck together with no symbol, that's multiplication. To undo a marriage, we need to divorce them. So we're going to divide both sides. 4 divided by 4 is 1x. And 16 divided by 4 is 4. Does 4 times 4 equal 16? Yes, it does. Okay, this one is addition. X plus 9 equals 13. Draw your line. What is the opposite of addition? Subtraction. Bring your variable down. 9 minus 9 is 0. Perfect. 13 minus 9 is 4. Draw your line. What is the opposite of negative 8 or subtracting 8? Adding 8. Bring your x down. Is it by itself? Yes, it is, because this is 0. 14 plus 8 is 22. Now, you can always plug these in. You're actually supposed to. I get lazy math teacher syndrome and don't always do my checks. Okay, this one is division. What is the opposite of division? Multiplication. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. I have my x left over. And 13 times 5 is 65. Draw your line. Opposite of subtraction is addition. Plus 6 to both sides. Bring your x down. Does this zero out? Absolutely. 11 plus 6 is 17. X equals 17. And look at me, not doing this again. I'm so bad about these checks, guys. Sorry. Bad example. Okay, draw your line. Opposite of multiplication. These guys are married. No happiness in math class. We're going to divorce them. We're left with x equals 44. 2 times 44 is 88. 88 equals 88. We are good to go. Okay, one-step equations can also include fractions and decimals. I'm going to show you a couple of these, but not all of these, because you're going to do some of these. I'm going to do this fraction here and one of the decimals. And then, so I'll do 8 and 9, and then you guys will do the other 4. So draw our line. Opposite of addition is subtraction. So we just subtract that decimal. bring this down, check our answer. Does that equal 0? Yes, it does. 7.5 minus 2.5 is 5.0. That's a decimal in there, guys. So x equals 5. Do your check. 5 plus 2.5 is 7.5. Does 7.5 equal 7.5? Yes, indeed. Okay, this one gets a little complicated. 2/3 x equals 8. You remember how I told you, sometimes we get complicated ones, and this is why you need to learn how to do it properly. This is why. So when we do a fraction, in order for me to, this is multiplication, right? We need to divide. We keep change flip when we divide, right? So we need to do that flip part over here. So we're going to invert our fraction to get 3/2. And when we do that, we get 6 divided by 6. That is 1, right? 6 divided by 6 is 1 is x. But whatever I do to one side, I need to do to the other. So I need to multiply here. 8 times 3 is 24. 1 times 2 is 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Let's check that out. 2/3 times 12/1, remember, make it into a fraction, equals 24/3, which is 8. Does 8 equal 8? Absolutely. Okay, you guys are going to do 7, 10, 11, and 12. I'm going to do one of the word problems, and you're going to do the other. Okay. Okay. If a chocolate cake is divided into 6 equal slices, oh, there we go. I know I'm going to divide by 6. Look at that. And each slice has 280 calories. How many calories are in the whole cake? So I know I'm going to the chocolate cake has 6 slices. Each slice is 280 calories. And I need to know how many calories in cake. Okay, so my plan and my work. I don't know how many calories. Divided into those 6 pieces is 280 calories. Okay, see how I found that? I don't know how many calories. Divided into 6 equal slices has, same thing, 280 calories. This is division. What is the opposite of division? Multiplication. Whatever I do to one side, I do the other. 6 divided by 6 leaves me just that x. 280 times 6 is 1,680. So the cake has 1,680 calories. Okay, you guys are doing number 14. Then you are writing me a fantastic summary with 2 to 3 sentences. I'm not getting away with that. I don't care that it's not written at the bottom. You're doing it anyway. I will see you guys in class tomorrow. I hope you guys have a fabulous night. Bye.